Welcome to Magic Indicator Strategies. In this video, we will share a highly profitable Heiken Ashi triple Supertrend trading strategy. This trading system is perfect for beginners as well as for advanced traders. It can generate signals that give a risk-to-reward ratio of 6 to 1, sometimes even 14 to 1, which is truly unbelievable. Imagine if you risked 2% of your account per trade. This strategy could have made you 28% profit in one single trade. You do not need any premium or paid indicators for this strategy. You can use it absolutely free. Actually, the combination of indicators we found produces even better results than some premium tools that cost hundreds of dollars. This strategy produces a lot of high-quality signals per day. It can be used to trade Forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. As we mentioned, you only need the Supertrend indicator, the Heiken Ashi candlesticks, and a volume tool that is not even considered as a separate indicator. Before we proceed to the trading rules, let's understand what a Supertrend indicator is. A Supertrend indicator is plotted on either above or below the closing price to signal a buy or sell. The indicator changes color based on whether or not you should be buying. If the Supertrend indicator moves below the closing price, the indicator turns green, and it signals an entry point or points to buy. If a Supertrend closes above, then the indicator shows a sell signal in red. You will also note that at the point where buy or sell signal is generated is the crossover point. At the point, say, buy signal is made and the indicator turns green, you will see that the closing price is higher than indicator value. Similarly, when a sell signal is generated and the indicator turns red, the closing price will be seen lower than the indicator value. By the very nature of the Supertrend indicator, it offers firm support and resistance levels for traders to enter and exit trades. Additionally, it also provides signals for setting stop losses. As mentioned previously, we will use 3 Supertrend indicators in our strategy. This is done in order to avoid fake signals during sideways market momentum. You see, a Supertrend indicator works very well when the price is trending. However, the market is trending only 20 to 30% of the time. So in order to make sure that we enter the trade in an established trend, we do need to use another 2 Supertrend indicators. We will show you what settings to use at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. Now let's break down the exact rules for long and short entries. For a long signal to be confirmed, the following must be met. First, a buy label must be printed below the price bar. Second, at the time the label is printed, the other 2 Supertrends must be green. As a third requirement, the Heiken Ashi candlestick must be bullish with no lower wick. Lastly, check the current state of market volume. If you see a gradual increase in bullish volume, meaning the green bars increase in size, then you can confidently place a buy order. The stop loss will be set at the second Supertrend. Exit a profitable trade once you receive a sell signal from the indicator. Remember, the trade must be running in profit, otherwise you should not close the position. Not all of the trades will have such a high risk-reward ratio. Some trades may have a regular 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 risk-reward. The point is, if you constantly give yourself a chance of winning big, you will make a lot of money in the long run. That's how trading works. The key is sticking to your strategy and managing your money smartly. Even if you encounter a losing streak, it doesn't matter. You must remain emotionally stable and carry on doing what you are supposed to do. Here's another example of a buy trade. Watch how long-term Supertrends switch from bullish to bearish. This is a signal of an uptrend. Then a buy signal was printed. We checked the current volume and we saw that bullish momentum was there. All we need to do is wait for the candle bar to close before entering a trade. The trade runs at a profit and the indicator issues a sell signal. We close the position. Do the opposite for short trades. Firstly, a sell signal must be printed. At the time it occurs, the rest of the supertrends must be red. The Heiken Ashi candlestick must be bearish. It must not have an upper wick. There must be an increase in bearish volume in the market. The red volume bars must become taller. Once these conditions are met, place a sell order at the open of the next price bar. Place the stop loss at the second supertrend. Exit a winning short trade once you receive a buy signal from the supertrend indicator. Traders, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to leave a like on this video. Also share your most successful strategy in the comments. This would be really helpful for the community. Okay, now let's learn how to create this indicator setup. First, log into TradingView and open any chart. Head over to the Indicators menu and search for Supertrend. Add 3 Supertrend indicators to the chart. Access the settings on the first one and change the ATR multiplier to 1.2. Then go to the Styles section and disable everything except for buy and sell signals. Open the settings for the second supertrend. Leave the multiplier at 3. Disable the buy and sell signals in the Styles section. Lastly, proceed to the settings of the third supertrend. Change the ATR multiplier to 10. Also uncheck the buy and sell signals. Now once you've done with the settings, the chart should look like this. Finally, open the Indicators menu one more time and search for volume. Add this indicator, which you can see under Technicals. In order to save your time, you can create alerts for these buy and sell signals. The way you can do that is by clicking on the alert button at the top and selecting the first supertrend as the condition. As for the signal, you can choose buy, sell, or even both. Set the alert to occur once per bar close. Once you've finished, click Create. Be sure to backtest and forward test this strategy before trading live. We tested it on the price of Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart and its win ratio was close to 85%. This is a really good result for a strategy this simple.